So have we got this question like what this question is saying? A student focus the image of a distant object using device X on a white screen as if the distance of the screen from the device is 40 centimeter. You can check. This distance is 40 centimeter. Select the correct statement about the device. These are the statement. Clear you can read. What this question is asking, what is this device X? Now if you look at carefully, these rays are parallel rays. These are parallel rays. What is this? These are parallel rays. Okay. And these rays are going to converge. You can check. These are going to converge. So if and these rays are going to pass also like through this axe. I'm drawing. I want to draw. This is X. These rays are going to pass and they are going to converge. So when it is going to happen? When the lens is convex lens. Like this. Distant object light is coming. Like far away object lights are coming parallel. So diminish, highly diminished image will be formed. I have shown like this. Actually image will be very less. Like point size. Real inverted point size. So you will place a screen like this. Where you will place a screen? Here. And on this screen image is going to form. Okay, screen. So by measuring this distance, actually this is what? V. So if you apply the formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Since object's light is coming parallel, it means object is at infinity. So 1 upon infinity is 0. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v, and v is positive. How much? This image distance, it is how much? 40 centimeter. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon 40. It means focal length is 40 centimeter. This is clear. So option, which option is correct? The device X is a focal length of convex, how much? 20? Wrong. It is also wrong. Whether it is saying this is right. Option D is correct. Device X is a convex lens of focal length 40. I hope you understood. Please ask me if any doubt in comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot.